Hello students and welcome back to another video on value education. How are you all doing? I hope you are all doing well. So today we'll be talking about a topic on forgiveness. I hope you enjoy the video. So today we'll be talking about forgiveness. Let's listen to a story about a girl called Maria. 8-year-old Maria started school 3 weeks later than everyone else. This was because her parents were migrant workers and they had to follow the crops. In August and September, they picked tomatoes, and in the spring, Maria sometimes had to quit school early so her parents could go to California to pick grapes. It seemed to Maria that all the kids at school already had friends, but she felt like the last peach on the tree when all the others had been picked. Worse, she saw kids looking at her hand-me-down or used clothes. A girl named Crystal pointed at the large Snickers on Maria's feet and laughed. Two other girls poked fun at Maria's dress, which was faded and worn. All the rest of the girls wore new-looking jeans or pants. One day, Maria lost her temper when Crystal made fun of her. She got so mad that she shoved Crystal into a mud puddle on the playground. Crystal cried. Then all the girls and some boys smeared mud on Maria's dress. That night, Maria cried to her mum. But her mom only said, Maria, remember that without the rocks, the stream would lose its song. Learn to forgive, Maria, and you will be forgiven. Maria went back to school. She decided to stay calm. She ignored the teasing and quietly watched the kids around her. After a while, she saw that Crystal didn't understand her math, so Maria helped her. She helped Everett too. At lunch, Maria shared her ripe peach with Savannah. Then, at recess, Crystal asked Maria to hold one end of the jump rope. Soon, Maria stopped feeling mad and lonely. Mother Teresa says, whatever our religion, we know that if we really want to love, we must first learn to forgive before anything else. So, children, what would you do if someone is mean to you or if someone hurts you? Often, the best way that we can find is a way to forgive. So, forgiveness is more than just saying sorry. When you forgive, we need to mean what we say. You need to let go of the hurt or angry thoughts you have about the person. When you forgive the person, not just with your words, but with your heart. And you need to stop blaming the person for being unkind. So, what are the reasons? Why do you feel that we need to show forgiveness? What are the reasons for it? People aren't as likely to pick on you anymore if they don't get a reaction. And when you forgive people, they say they see a new way to act. So when you forgive somebody, they see a new way to act and they feel even they can be that way. So maybe next time they start to do something mean, they'll change their mind. Maybe they'll think about how good it felt to be forgiven. But you may feel that being mean is a bad thing to do. Why should we let anyone get away with that? It doesn't have to mean that you do nothing about it. but you can still forgive the person and leave your angry feelings behind. So let's see how we can be forgiving and what are the ways that we can use. Let your anger go. So, how do you let your anger go? Maybe you can write about how you feel or draw an angry picture. Maybe a role play about what happened or how angry you feel could work. Get involved in a sport that makes you use up all your energy. Rest and listen to quiet music. Maybe even that could help. Or just do something that you like to do. Maybe painting, it could be reading, it could be anything that you like to do. Forgive the person is your next thing. When you might not feel ready to forgive the person right away, but when you are ready, say, I forgive you. If you mean it, you should feel at peace inside. Then try to do something nice for the person. This shows that you mean what you have said. But you will think whether your friend will always be good to you after that. Will he or she ever hurt you after that again? You can't make that happen, but you can decide how you're going to act. You can decide to be forgiving. When you forgive, you heal. And when you let go, you grow. So, students, with this quote, I would like to end this topic. I hope you learned something new today and something good that will help you forgive the people around you. Thank you.